Africa Content TV.
PDP, what is happening? When you're in Ibadan, this is the political and cultural capital of the Yoruba race. The first thing I want to say is in Yoruba land, we always say that if you see a house or a compound that is peaceful, the vagabond in that house has not grown up. The vagabond in PDP, they grew up in 2015, they had their time, and 10 years, a decade, they practice their vagabondsy in the PDP. But they have been expelled in November 2025. So no more vagabond in PDP. Two. So whatever it is that they are doing, you should be able to trace it back to their origin. In 2015, PDP lost power at the federal level. There was a gap in the leadership. Otherwise, those vagabonds will never have been able to take hold of PDP. And let me confess, I came into government in 2019. And towards 2023, I was yoked with them. But now I've repented. I'm now born again. But for them to hold PDP for another party to be in power, it is no. Number two, our leaders that were here to give us the goodwill messages, they kept hammering on something. They kept talking about the truth, and the truth. And what I'll say in Yoruba is, Ti Roba Loni Ogun. The interpretation is lies, liars. They can continue peddling their lies for 20 years, but the day truth comes out, that is the end of the lie. I have absolute trust in Nigeria's judiciary. I know they will do the needful. So all these court cases, they will all come together at some point. And judiciary being the last hope of the common man who will give justice to PDP. Orin ni màá fi parí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí o. There are two things I will do. There are two things I will do before I sing my final song. so that they will know what is going on. First is in Oyo State. This is PDP State Secretariat. We were out of power from 2011 to 2019. 2019, a chairman led PDP back to power. And that chairman is Alhaji Omokunmi Mustafa. This house is going to be named Omokunmi Mustafa House. Chairman olóríire tó gbé wa padà síjọba ni. So, architects, make sure you put a place where Alhaji Kumi Mustafa's name will be etched in there. Reward wà fún ẹni tó bá forí ti dópin. And the second thing, second thing I will do this is the document to this property. I will hand it over to our national chairman for onward transmission to the board of trustees that holds things in trust for the PDP. National chairman, sir. Finally, the government pé òun ní interest nínú PDP lọ́yọ̀ state, òun ní interest nínú PDP nationally. Ẹ bá mi bèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹni náà pé kí ló ti ṣe fún PDP ní Rivers State tó ti wá. So orin tí màá parí ẹ̀ tí chairman á fi lọ court tape tí wọ́n bá wa sọ̀rọ̀ ni pé ọ̀rọ̀ wọn tó bá ti sọ̀rọ̀ fún yín pé this and that, orin tí kẹ́ máa kọ fún ọ ní pé ọmọ alákìsà tó jó lóru gbogbo ẹ bóyá ilẹ̀ àmọ́ lọ́la. That is, they are wearing rags, dancing around in the midnight. They will soon break for them. Thank you and God bless you. PDP!
Would I be invite the national chairman as he proceeds to cut the tape and make his remarks? Members of the NWC to please join. I will not very exposed, please join. Wait now. Come on, tripod now. And on behalf also of the leadership
hereby, on behalf of PDP family, with uncommon gratitude to His Excellency, the Governor of Oyo State, Engineer Seyi Makinde, and the Vice Chairman of Nigerian Congress Forum, through permission is Olukomi Mustafa House, which is housing the PDP Oyo State headquarters for the use of members of our party in Oyo State for advancement of democracy, for entrenching